Hello, AP Physics students. My name is Mr. Henderson. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the science department chair here, and I'll be helping as we are working on a replacement for Mr. Mixon, and while Mr. McCall is being your long-term substitute to also help. Because I've taught AP Physics 1 for many, many years, and so I have some experience with it, and hopefully that will help you get prepared for the AP test. Because believe it or not, everything you need is an AP classroom, and all of the resources that are here are actually even better than anything I ever used with my students. And so, really, you have a good shot of getting prepared and doing quite a bit of physics work, even despite Mr. Mixon not being there with you guys. And so, I know you did a little tiny bit of AP Classroom in the first semester. It looked like very few of you had actually done a good portion of it. So the way I'll kind of explain this will work is Mr. McCall, your long-term substitute, will be there with you guys as a facilitator to help you to answer questions, to help walk you through notes, to help check your answers and things on any practice activities. But a bulk of your instruction is going to be coming from the AP daily videos. And so I'll just kind of open one here as an example, but for daily video 1.1, video 1, for example, oh boy, it's going to make me log in there. It's a short video where it's actually explaining the ideas of frame of reference and displacement and velocity, which I know y'all did a little bit of in first semester. And it's coming from people who actually make the AP test. So there's really no better source than these videos for helping explain some of the basic concepts. And so the way it'll kind of work is for each day, I've selected a video or maybe even a couple videos for you to watch, and then you'll be completing some portions of the workbook. And I don't think you guys received a workbook in the first semester, but I made copies of this for all of you. And so the College Board workbook for AP Physics 1 is broken down by unit, so you should only have Unit 1 right now, kinematics. And each page has different things with scenarios and representations, and typically it will set you up to answer the questions. So they'll tell you how you should answer or what your answer should look like. And then when you're finished with that, Mr. McCall has the teacher's edition, which has all the answers in it, so that you're able to check your work. You guys will be able to discuss and make sure everyone's on the same page and that you have everything correct. Now, the instructional plan, I know this is kind of an overwhelming diagram, but if you look at kind of just at a glance, it is possible to go through all of the content before your AP exam the week of May 9th. And so I've kind of divided up the semester by the approximate percentages on the AP exam, and that's how we will allocate days for each topic. And so even though you've done a little bit of kinematics, it's one of the most important ones. So we'll spend some time there. You'll see we're devoting a lot of time to energy. And so basically that's how this will work. In AP Classroom, I'm sorry, in Google Classroom, you'll see here that I'll be making posts and different things, but majority of your assignments are actually going to be done in AP Classroom, and I'll be able to see exactly what you've done, what you haven't done, and then we'll also eventually be moving on to topic questions and progress checks as we get further into each unit. You'll also be doing some labs. Any lab assignments will be posted in Google Classroom, and it'll be important for you to upload your answers there. And of course, I'm available as a resource. As I put on this announcement yesterday, I'm in room 220 if you ever have any questions that you want to talk in person. In addition, I have tutorials Monday and Tuesday after school, so I'm happy to work with y'all anytime about different topics that you might be struggling with. And together, I think we're really going to give you a good shot of being prepared for those of you who are signed up to take the AP exam. And just like I taught my class, even if you're not taking the AP exam, you're still going to do all the same work. You're still going to prepare as if you are taking it so that you can be successful in college physics if you go on to do that one day. So hopefully this video is helpful, and I hope you get into the AP classroom and start watching the first videos today as you're working on getting oriented to your workbook.